Namaskar, IMD welcomes you in this daily weather briefing program. Today is 10th December. ABC highlights, so cold wave conditions very likely to continue to prevail over central and adjoining east and northern parts of peninsular India till 13th of December. And dense fog conditions very likely to prevail during morning hours in isolated pockets of Assam, Meghalaya, Nagaland, Manipur, Mizoram during 11 to 15th, over Himachal Pradesh and northeast Uttar Pradesh during 11 to 13th, over Uttarakhand and Odisha 11th and 12th, over Punjab, Haryana and Chandigarh during 13th to 15th of December. And if we see yesterday's realized weather, in fact today morning weather in terms of dense to very dense fog conditions prevailed over northeast Uttar Pradesh in morning hours today, and dense fog conditions in isolated pockets of Meghalaya, Manipur, Bihar, Odisha, Himachal Pradesh and Uttarakhand. And cold wave to severe cold wave conditions prevailed at isolated locations of West Madhya Pradesh and North India Odisha. Cold wave conditions prevailed at a few locations of Vidarbha, Chhattisgarh and isolated locations of Telangana. Cold wave conditions are prevailing since last 5 days over western parts of Madhya Pradesh, Vidarbha, Chhattisgarh and North Interior Odisha. And if we see the sonography system, so we are having one trough in westerlies over eastern parts of the country, especially Jharkhand and adjoining regions, and subtropical westerly jet streams are reaching up to 120 knots are prevailing over east and northeast India, and a fresh western disturbance likely to influence western Himalaya region, especially Jammu Kashmir and Himachal Pradesh from 13th of December. And APC forecast of minimum temperature, so no significant change in minimum temperature likely over plains of northwest India during next 2 days, rise by 2 to 4 degrees Celsius during subsequent 3 days, and no significant change thereafter. No significant change in minimum temperature very likely over central India for next 2 days, and rise by 2 to 3 degrees Celsius thereafter for subsequent 3 days, and gradual fall is likely by 2 to 3 degrees Celsius over Maharashtra for next 3 days, and thereafter rise by 2 to 3 degrees Celsius. And if we see weather warning, so tomorrow morning and today night, dense fog conditions likely over Himachal Pradesh, Uttarakhand, and dense to very dense fog conditions over northeast Uttar Pradesh and northeast India, dense fog conditions, and cold wave conditions likely to prevail over western parts of Madhya Pradesh, interior Maharashtra, Telangana, Chhattisgarh, and north interior Odisha. On 11th of December, dense fog to very dense fog conditions likely to prevail in morning hours over northeast Uttar Pradesh, dense fog conditions over Himachal Pradesh, Uttarakhand, northeast India, cold wave conditions over western parts of Madhya Pradesh, interior Maharashtra, Telangana, Chhattisgarh, north interior Odisha, thunderstorm warning for Andaman Nicobar Islands. On 12th night and 13th of morning, dense fog conditions over Himachal Pradesh, Punjab, Haryana, east Uttar Pradesh, northeast India, and cold wave conditions over Madhya Maharashtra, Marathwada, Telangana, and north interior Odisha, thunderstorm for Andaman Nicobar Islands. On 13th of December, dense fog conditions, Punjab, Haryana, Assam, Meghalaya, Nagaland, Manipur, Mizoram, Tripura, thunderstorm for Andaman Nicobar Islands. On 14th night and 15th morning, dense fog conditions over Punjab and Haryana, and also for northeast India, and thunderstorm on 14th is likely over Andaman Nicobar Islands. On day 6 and day 7, that is 15th and 16th, no weather warning except thunderstorm activity likely over Andaman Nicobar Islands. Namaskar, Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.